Every 2 years or so, just down the corridor from my workshop, a small group of people open boxes, remove pieces of glass and carefully place them on shelves, trying them in this place and that place and moving them to where they look just right. These glass pieces are sent in by members of the Contemporary Glass Society. They can be professional, amateur, hobbyists. These pieces of glass follow a theme and have to be under certain sizes and show off the skills of the maker. Some of the boxes, and these are the cabinets, and I'm not going to focus on any of them because they've got names on them and whatever, but these pieces of glass are going to be judged. Let's have a look at this panel. You can pause this video to read through these details. By the side of each cabinet will be a sheet with the maker and a description of the piece. And then as we walk down the corridor, at the end here, there will be a box for you to vote for your favourite piece of glass.